If your Android phone feels a little slow or if apps are acting up, cleaning the cache can be a quick and easy way to fix things. Don't worry, it's super simple to do and it can be done in few steps. So let's start. So first step, cleaning the cache for individual apps. So you can do that by going to settings app on your device or just simply hold on to the application you want to clear cache for. For example, I want to delete cache for that software. I just have to hold that for 3 seconds maybe, and you will see that option of app info. You just simply have to press it, and here you can see clear data option. You can, if you don't find it, you can directly go to storage, and here you can see clear data. You just simply have to hold it, and here you can see clear cache and clear all data. So best practice is to clear all data, but if you don't want your login and other details want to disappear, so you can simply just clear cache. Now clearing cache can be a great way to speed things up, fix glitches and free up space without deleting any important files. But if it's still slowing down, but if your phone is still working slow, you can try to reset your device and it will solve all your problems. And there you have it, a quick guide on how to clear your cache on Android phone. Now go ahead and give it a try to help keep your phone running smoothly.